little kitty. I'm fuzzy. I'm friendly. I'm a little kitty cat. Let me go, you crazy psychopath. Please? What are you doing? What is this contraption? Can I please go? I want to play with Bailey.
Maybe if I close my eyes, it'll go away.
I shall dream of catnip and shrimp fillet. Whatever the hell it's called. I don't know. It's whatever the hell that stuff my owner gives me.
And mousies to catch.
Oh yeah, I love the mousies. But they taste nasty. I want food. Huh? Can I go? Can I go? Can I go?
His legs.
Let me free! Let go. Stop touching me.
Daddy! Daddy, let me go! Daddy!
You're turning into mommy! I want to be free. Psychopath, let me go. Hey, psycho, let me go. Maybe if I go back. No? It's a cave. Ha! I can't be free! No! It's getting tighter!
Don't kill him!
Stop it!
Camera won't stay still.
Freedom?
Freedom?
Maybe I should stay here. What happened last time was too traumatic. Please let me go. Yes? Yes? No! Why? I was so close! I got half my body. Maybe if I keep on pulling, I'll get free. Don't do it too tight.
I'm just gonna take
Freedom
a...
is within my reach. Can you loosen up just a little bit? I don't want a freaking rub. I want freedom. Stop touching me. Let me go. Don't choke, Ellie. Damn, I got out of hand. Let me go. Hey, hey, hey. This is worse than being holding me hostage. I'd rather you hold me in your legs. Yeah! Let me go! No! Daddy, let me go, damn it. I'm not Superman. I'm not a freaking Superman. I'm a kitty cat. I stay on the ground. Not there. Hey, you. Let me go. Let me go. I will claw you to death. Let me go. Feel these claws? They're for you. Let me go. Don't flex that way.
You warm kitty, little ball of fur.
Damn it. Let me go.
Happy
I want a new daddy. You're a psychopath. I need better parents. What the hell? What was that big fat face thinking when he gave me to that chick? You want to let me go? Nah!
chewing.
What's that? What's that? I see it. It's moving. Let me get it. Let me get it. Bring it here. I want it.
But if I go over there, he might try to
get me.
He might try to catch me again. I don't want that.
I'm too stupid to think about it. I want the red thing. He won't get me. I don't think he will.
Because I'm a fucking ninja.
Oh, yeah.
Look, he looked over at you for that too.
He's like, I'm a ninja. Ah! No! Damn it, I just wanted the ribbon! I want it now. I want freedom. Fuck the ribbon. It got me in trouble. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. That is heavy. Let me go. Dude, I'm not freaking Mr. T, okay? P, whatever the fuck his name. I don't wear necklaces. Now!
It's a little sad show.
Ah! It's pulling me down!
That is
What is
fucking
this?
heavy.
What's that? I think I hear some. Look, my tail. It moves. Is that my tail? I think it is. Yeah, it is. What's wrong with you crazy people? I'm not coming anywhere near you. I'm staying up here. You can go fuck yourselves. Now! Are you gonna take it off me? I mean, you can touch me if you're gonna take it off of me. Bastard. Get it off of me! No. No. This is not... stop that.
Well, screw you too.
Ah! Let go of me, you little bastard. You're pulling me down. No, 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 no. Ah!
That was too adorable.
Let go of me. Yeah, freedom.
Where'd he go?
No, go away, go away. Shoo. You bastard. Come here. I'll kick your ass. This is all your fault. Come here. Let me rip you apart. You drag me down. You get me caught. Ah! What was that?
How long is this video so far now?
About 8 minutes.
Damn.
Jeez. It's definitely not something that goes on fine.
What's your about to attack?
What?
He was about to attack her rope.